So here we'll see a simple program which says that write a program for using for loop to print all the numbers from 1 to 10. So how to do? So we'll just directly write that for. We're just directly writing a for loop. So for number. So anyway, I'm taking just a variable here. You can take anything and in. So I'll write in what in a range. In which range? So the range will start from 1 and it will end at 10. So let us see what it does. Then we will see for any modification if required. So if like this, then I will print number. So if I run this code, let us see what it is doing. So it is printing all the values till 9 only. It's not printing more. So why till 9? Because the range function that we used here, so it prints from 1 to 10. Okay, in that range, inside the range, so it will not print the 10. It is less than 10, not less than equal to. So if I want to print all the values up to 10, then I have to take it as 1 to 11. Now if I run the code, you can see all the values are displayed here. Okay, now if I make this 1 equals to 0, then what will happen? So if I make 1 equals to 0, it will start printing from 0, but I need from 1, I can write 1. So starting point is included, but the ending point is always less than it is taken. So it can print this value. Now in this program we can make some change that if I need that, so it will not be printed like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, not directly like this. So every time it will replace the 1 and then it will print. So just a print statement if I want. So I can write end equals to r with a. Okay, now what it will do? So it is printing all the values, but we are not able to see. So why? Because it is printing so fast. So for that, here we can do time dot sleep, and for 1 second I can add, and it's a library function, so I have to import times here. So if I run this code, you can see we print 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. You can see here it will print like this all the numbers. Now what I can do, I can reduce this also 0.5 seconds. So this is basically second, and here let me make it 21. And if I run this code, this simple code, so it can display the numbers by replacing the output. It's not like it continuously displays, right? So that's how beautifully you can do this program. This is a small example of for loop. In the next program we'll see some other examples of for loop. So thank you.